Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be bringing you along for a room tour of my standard view room at Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. This stunning hotel pays homage to craftsman style elegance, and its incredible amenities and dining experiences do not disappoint. Not to mention an entrance with direct access to Disney's California Adventure Park. You truly cannot beat one-of-a-kind theme park access like that. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kayla. I share travel and lifestyle content with the goal of helping you and your families have amazing vacations filled with memories that will last a lifetime. Be sure to subscribe, click that post notification bell so you know when I post additional videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it while you're watching. It really does help support my channel. And without further ado, let's go check out the room. You guys, I have made it to my room. I am in room 4308, so let's go in and check it out. So when you first walk in, there is kind of like an entryway, so great little space here to put a stroller or luggage. You've got plenty of knobs to hang things on here, and then right here you have your closet. Two very nice spa robes, some slippers, extra pillow and blankets, plenty of hangers as well as your safe. And then if you turn the corner this way, let me get out of the frame, you'll see a beautiful mirror, two sinks, plenty of storage underneath both sinks, a step stool for your little one, which I think is a sweet touch, hair dryer, extra toilet paper. It looks like maybe like a laundry basket if you wanted to put some laundry in there, or maybe that's for your towels, and your trash bin. And then in a separate area here, you've got your walk-in shower and your restroom. There is a sliding door, pocket door here. Love, love, love that there's a bench in the shower. I think that's such a nice touch. So we will move into the bedroom area. So right here is like coffee, ice bucket. Your beverage cooler is down here, and a nice drawer with all of your cups for coffee, which I'm probably going to get into here in just a bit. I think there's a light. Let me turn that on. There we go. So that's a little bit more lit now. So that is a connecting door to another room. And then you've got your two queen beds. Really, really beautiful. You've got a dresser here with 6 drawers. A nice desk. Sorry, I went ahead and set some things down there. A mirror above the desk. So I have a standard view room, and it does have a balcony, as you can see. So I can see the Ferris wheel, which is so neat. Beautiful courtyard area. A little pool area over this way. So just a really, really, really nice view. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. I will have all of the vlogs from this trip linked below, so be sure to check those out. If you have any questions about this room or Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and become a member of our amazing YouTube community here at Main Street Through Your Eyes. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!